There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing well. I am doing good, and today's video is just a random vlog about how I spent my weekend. I mean not weekend, how I spent my entire week. I don't know if you people will like it. But still, let's go on with the video.
So it's Thursday's evening and we have started the video from a little DIY. We'll be sticking these stickers on my jute bag which I got from grocery store using Fevistick. ये फेविस्टिक मैं इंडिया से लेके आई थी क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा असरदार होता है. तो हमारा अभी मेन मोटिव होगा कि ये जो बैग पे इनका जो खुद का लोगो है उसको छिपाना. तो हम ये स्टिकर यूज़ करके वो करेंगे. I usually am not into these DIYs, but that doesn't mean that I don't enjoy doing these things. I got these stickers from nearby stationery store, and these were quite cheap and cute as well. I literally am just killing my time. I mean, that doesn't mean that I have got plenty of time, but still, for the moment, also these things are kind of therapy. I wasted plenty of money on glues in Russia, but none compares to Fevikwik. They really need to produce something as good as the quality of Fevikwik. And yes, we are done. Please let me know in the comment section if my DIY was good and if the bag is looking cute. अभी अगला काम है मेरा कि मैं ये बेड अरेंज करूं क्योंकि अभी हमें शाम को ही क्लीन शीट्स मिले हैं. तो फिर ये चेंज करना और सबसे ज़्यादा अनोइंग काम मुझे ये लगता है और स्पेशली ब्लैंकेट के कवर को चेंज करना. यू वोंट बिलीव बट इट टेक्स मी अराउंड 15 to 20 minutes to do so. At least 10 minutes, and I'm not at all bragging about it. I know it's not good. We should learn it, but doesn't matter how much I try, I always fail to do it quickly. I can literally pay someone to do this for me. But then I remember that I'm broke. परंतु इतने शिद्दत के बाद ये हमारा ब्लैंकेट का कारोबार हो चुका है. तो बस अब हम जल्दी से बेडशीट और पिलो कवर लगा लेंगे. टाइडी बेड इज ऑल यू नीड. आफ्टर ऑल अगर आप कहीं से थक के आते हैं तो ऑल यू नीड इज योर बेड. तो फिर बेड को सही रखना इज one of the many things that I prioritize. Oh my god, I just wanna hop in and take a nap. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि fall time has already come, so this is a quick view from my window. सारे पत्ते पीले हो गए हैं. It's so beautiful. These days I have my tea here. Who would want to go to cafe when you have such beautiful view? Please ignore my trench. Anyways, I have to give that to dry clean. The next thing that I'll be doing is arranging my documents and all the certificates and things in my new document file. I had been thinking of doing this since a long time. The only one thing that I like about myself is I keep my documents very properly. Look what I got. Yeah, I'm a Potterhead. And these are the things that I got from my old file. तो सबसे पहले हम अपने मार्कशीट को एडजस्ट करने का ट्राई करेंगे, बट मेरा अटेम्प्ट अनसक्सेसफुल ही रहेगा शायद. बट 2-3 सर्टिफिकेट्स को छोड़ के सारे एडजस्ट हो गए थे. तो थैंक्स गॉड माई मनी जस्ट डिडंट गो इन वेन.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
have to arrange my hostel and student card at one place as our offline classes have started, and also keep a few changes for bus fare.
Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone.
Okay, so I didn't cook anything today. My friends, they sent me few things. I mean the dinner. It feels really difficult for these tapes to take out. Okay, so it's curry. It's potato and tomato curry. A bit oily but will work. Now for filming, I can't wait anymore. Day second. Okay, so the norm of getting up is staying quiet for a few moments until we come back to earth again. I'm already late, so we'll just do everything on time. This is my breakfast. My class starts at 8:30. I need to take bus, and as we are already late, so let's do things quickly. This is my not so common hairstyle. I don't know why do I always have to pick difficult things when I'm running out of time. But yes, this is me. And yes, this is the most important one, as I can't take the embarrassment of stinking like rotten egg or something. I'm actually going to be late, but it's better than being absent or not attending the class. I mean, attending online class. This was not at all to hurt the sentiments of students who are attending online class. Actually, that is better than not attending the class maybe. In no time, I'll be arranging all the stuffs that I'll be needing in class today, including apron and things. I swear this is the last thing I need to put on. Okay, I mean the second last. The watch was not at all necessary. I don't know what for I did this. This mask definitely helps my nose getting cold from breeze, and also I wear these headphones to protect my ear from cold more than just listening the songs. The bus stop is just 1 minute away from my hostel, and we are on bus. I am exactly on time. Our teacher hasn't reached yet. Finally got coffee break after 2 hours of class. We have 4 hours of class today. Meet you all after next 2 hours. Okay, so we are done with class. Now we'll be moving back to our hostel. We will reach in no time now. I have reached my room and have eaten the leftover breakfast, as I'm too lazy to cook anything now, and I was taking a short power nap. Just preparing myself for a good nap. I am awake finally, and now I need to do some assignments from my university. We'll catch you up in dinner. I cannot manage cooking and filming all together, so couldn't film much while cooking my not so appetizing dinner. Good morning everyone. It's Saturday today and there's plenty of work to do. I'm heading towards my friend's apartment. I'll be cooking lunch with them, and also after that we have to go to the hospital and talk to our professor regarding our tests and academics. I am finally here and being greeted with coffee. One thing that I forgot to mention is that the main reason for me coming here is to make some carrot pickles. It's been more than 2 years since I have been home. Haven't tasted any pickle sorts of things since then. So finally we have decided to make some pickles of our own. We are just giving it a try. Let's see if it goes well. We are waiting for the water from the carrot to get a bit dry. Had never known the carrot would be so difficult to cut down. I better pass this step to my friend because this is surely not my cup of tea. But I'm not bad, you see. I have taken the lead as if I know everything about pickle making. I just hope I don't disappoint my friends. Let's see what happens. I'll consider myself no less than a chef if my attempt is successful. After chopping it down, we will put this in oven so that the moisture completely goes away. We want it to be dry. For all those who are watching this video in Russia, we know that the availability of Indian products is so low. We get it only in metro cities, so you can prepare your own pickle. All the herbs and spices which I'm using you can get easily in any store, so these are not difficult to find. That is the reason we chose to make pickle of our own. We wanted to change a bit of our taste buds, Roasting these spices is one of the very important steps because you get the very fresh aroma. This part of the video is purely dedicated to my mother, who is still not ready to believe that I cook by myself. Forget about cooking, she is never going to believe that I made pickle. This video is going to act as an evidence of my talent. See, the main issue is that we don't get enough sunlight here, which is very important to make any kind of pickle or anything which can be preserved, or else it would be easy. The masala is ready. Now we just need to mix it up. It has got such strong smell. I mean the good one. Now we'll just store it in some box. I had said earlier that I had to go to the professor and meet him for my tests and everything. So we have finally reached. Weather is very pleasant today. Even the apples have turned red. After all the work, I am back to my friend's apartment. It's food time for them and tea time for us. While returning from the hospital, we got us some things which we will be needing for our dinner. Actually, we are planning to prepare pizza with some Indian taste in it, so we got some seasoning things and all the ingredients required for preparation of pizza. These chilies are not spicy at all, not even 5% compared to Indian chilies. We need to get started fast because I have to leave for my hostel also, and I don't want it to get darker. I have started believing that as a backup I can also open my buffet someday. This video has become more like a food vlog. No, I didn't intend it to do so. These were just random plans, The pickle one was like pre-planned, yes, but not the pizza one. I am sure for next one day I'm not going to feel calorie deficit. This pizza has got so much of calorie. Everything except the pizza base is homemade. Even the paste We made it with tomato and chili paste. I just can't wait to have this. We'll just use the paste as a topping so that the pizza doesn't feel dry. Okay, and we will wait for a few minutes, I think maximum 15 to 20 minutes for this to get baked. And here it is. I have no vocabulary to describe how good it turned out to be. Now it's time for me to get back home. It has almost turned dark, but no worries. It's all safe here, but the thing is I have a lot of things to do. Tomorrow is Sunday and this entire week I didn't study as much as I needed to, and I don't want to cry and regret. As soon as I came home, I sat with my laptop as 4 of my tests are pending and I need to complete it before midnight. And also I have one more important thing to do, which is ordering chili powder online, as we are out of chili powder and all we get in our city is paprika. Anyone in Russia dealing with the same problem may DM me on Instagram to know the site. So guys, as tomorrow is Sunday, so I'll be just laying on my bed studying and doing nothing. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and if you're new here then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.